my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys for clicking. Yes, welcome to my YouTube channel guys. If you have not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Okay guys, today as you can tell, I am in my kitchen. Look what's cooking. Guys, today's menu is we are going to cook or fry samosa. Guys, do you know what samosa is? Wait a minute, let me show you. Guys, we are going to cook samosa using this organic tortilla or chapati fresser. It's uncooked chapati. We call it chapati. I don't know, some people call it tortilla, and I don't know how you call it in your country, but for us we call it chapati. So it comes from in here. There are two of them. This is one here, and guys, it's frozen. I got this from a department store we call Costco. It's on the freezer section, and there are 36 of them in here. So there are two. One count is here. This one is so frozen, but I have to defrost the other one. This is defrosted. So what I did with this one, I had to put it in a microwave and set it on defrosting, and it's now soft. Look at it. But it usually comes when it's really hard, like a stone. And there are two of them here, and there are 36 in count. And guys, this is what I'm going to use to cook samosa. For those ones who don't know samosa, I already explained to you. It's you can make a mixture of spices. Of course, you can use minced meat. Let me show you. This is the minced meat, which I already cooked. It's already cooked. So what I'm gonna do here, I am going to put all my spices so that I can make it tasty. Of course, I am going to use Irish potato as well, so that I can show you how you make samosa. Guys, I have a huge pan here. So this is the pan I am going to use to fry my samosa. What I'm gonna do here, I'm going to add oil, but first I'm gonna fry my minced meat in here first before I can do samosa. Okay, let me show you what I'm doing. So of course I'm gonna go pour a little bit of oil in here just to fry my minced. I'm using vegetable oil, so that's the oil I'm using right in here. Look at that, guys. These are my potato boiling here. I think they are ready. Whoa, look at them, they are ready. So over here I'm gonna wait a little bit, and I am going to pour a mixture of onions, bell pepper. All of this is going in here. Whoa, guys, I'm sorry I'm recording while I'm holding the camera, but this is what I'm gonna do. Of course, we are adding celery. Look now, a mixture of onions and bell pepper and celery. Now I'm gonna add the celery right here. They're browning up, and guys, the aroma, oh my gosh, aroma is killing me. So this is what you want your samosa to smell like. Of course, at this point you're just gonna stir a little bit, give a little twist right now. Yeah, look at that. Whoa, this is how we make samosa. All right, so what I'm gonna do, guys, at this stage you can add any spices you want. Of course, I'm gonna add my red pepper right here. I'm gonna add I don't know, you can see roasted garlic. I'm gonna add some cumin right here. I'm gonna add some food masala. This is from Africa, Kenya. I'm gonna add it in here, all of it. Let me add it and then I'll show you. Guys, look at this mixture of minced meat Irish potato, and all the spices. This is how you make samosa um, mixture. And you can add more, guys. It depends on you. Some people add tomatoes, but I don't like adding tomatoes. I feel like they should be spicy and crispy and mashed potato together. You can add even some green beans, but I don't have green beans, or dengu for those ones who know dengu. Or you can add just regular meat. It depends on chicken. It depends on what kind of samosa you want to make. But for myself today, this is a minced meat, which is beef samosa, and this is how I'm going to prepare it. Now let's go prepare the dough. Oh well, guys, this is how the dough looks like when I get it out of this bag. So let me remove this bag. So this is how the dough looks, guys. It's very light. Look at it. Look at it. Very light. Look at it. So guys, we cut it into a half. This is a half and this is a half. So this is how we are going to mold it. So what we're gonna do, we are going to use flour. Is you can use all-purpose flour. Let me show you. All-purpose flour I put here in a mixture of water. The flour that we use to make chapati or mandasi, and you make it a paste, is going to help us when we are going to fold our samosa. We are going to use this paste and we are going to put it together. Guys, this is where I want you to see now. Now my Play-Doh, this is a dough. It's all into half, and this is what I'm going to do so that I can make it like a pocket where I am going to put our minced meat and a mixture of potato in this pocket. So what I do, it has to face this side right here. So I bring one side from here, you put it in the middle, and this other side from here, you bring it and put it here. So what I'm gonna do with this paste here, I'm going to open a little bit, bring my paste with a finger. You can use a spoon or a fork, whatever you want to use, but I prefer to use my magic finger so that I make sure I'm all covered. So you put your Play-Doh here. It's kind of your kindergarten kid playing with the Play-Doh, right? So we have to make sure it all goes in here so that it actually can cover. Guys, I'm gonna cutting like that, and then in here is going to be a hole. Let me show you. So it's going to be a hole like this. This is where we're gonna use our spoon right here. Let me show you. So we make sure our mixture is in here, and as you can see, I put a little Play-Doh up here. This paste, I call it Play-Doh. I put the paste here, mixture of flour, and then what I'm gonna do, I am going to fold. So make sure you mash this side, goes down, and then you bring this side, you cover it. Look at that. Then you make sure you cover, because we are going to put this in the hot oil. We're going to fry it, so make sure it's all covered. So whenever we are going to put it inside the oil, it's not going to come out or to pop out. Okay guys, I'm recording at the same time showing you. So this is what we call samosa. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna be dipping inside the oil, and it's gonna turn to be golden brown, and then guys, you're gonna munch it. It's so sweet. You can eat it as a snack or lunch or breakfast, whenever you prefer. So let me go ahead and make more doughs like this. For this one, I'm gonna put it in this container, because after you finish making like this, you're gonna leave about 20 minutes to sit inside the fridge or in the cold whatever, so that they can dry a little bit before we can drop them inside the oil. Guys, stay here. So what you do, you put them in the fridge for about 30 minutes for them to dry. So I just got them out of the fridge, and you can tell they are so dry now. They're ready to go inside the oil. Yeah, so let me show you the oil. Guys, this is the oil. I'm waiting for it to be really hot so that I can start dropping the samosa in here.